Post-cooling, the mold cakes are distanced on a pulling platform. The 304 stainless steel baffle separates the products into 3 columns, preparing for the subsequent sorting and packaging. After metal detection and precise positioning, automatic preservative sheets feed into the pillow packaging RDBM 508S. The process operates at a speed of 90 to 100 packages/minute per line. The equipment has a standby function for no material and MIS to prevent cutting the material. The packaged cakes are sent for secondary packaging or automatic boxing through the finished product conveyor belt. The device has the option for a hot stamp coater. After cooling, the cakes are arranged and distanced to prepare for upcoming packaging. The stainless steel baffle separates the cakes into 4 columns, preparing for the transportation to 4 packaging sorting lines. After precise positioning, the preservative sheets are automatically placed under the cakes for pillow packaging. The packaging is exceptionally beautiful, operating at a speed of 100 to 120 packages/minute per line. 4 lines total to 400 packages per minute. The finished product conveyor belt delivers the packaged products to the visual robotic arm. Simultaneously, the automatic carton machine sends the bottom-sealed carton to the robot workstation. The robotic arm completes the entire carton loading and sealing process.